Hi, this is just a quick video to first of all let you know that I haven't forgot about all of you, and I'm still working on the right Vambrace. But I'm also here to ask a question, kind of get some direction from you. Not sure if you're aware of this or not, but before I start a project like this, I do quite a bit of research, and then I make one or two prototypes just to see how I'm going to do it. And I was having a hard time wrapping my head around this shape. It's a little bit more organic than the left Vambrace. And I decided to go ahead and buy a replica just to, so I could really get the dimensions and feel for the thing. And that's when I discovered that you can go on Etsy, and there are several versions, or I should say several artists that are making these. They all seem to be really close together as far as size and shape. But for quite a bit less than $100, you can get both a right and left Vambrace. So that really made me come up with the question is, do you want me to go ahead and make this? Because when you can get both a right and left Vambrace for $70 or $80, is it worth it to go ahead and spend probably more than that to make it yourself? Not to mention how complicated you saw that the left Vambrace was. So I'm just going to come out and ask you guys, do you want me to continue working on the right Vambrace? Because with this in hand, I pretty much know how I can go about making it. But do you want me to take that kind of time, or I should say, are you wanting to take the time to make a right Vambrace from scratch when you can get one for so cheap that's going to be, pretty darn screen accurate for so little money? Or would you rather me go ahead and just show you how I'm going to go ahead and paint this one? So you could buy one. I'll show you how to paint it and how to prepare it for paint, and then go on to another project like the EE3 blaster or the jetpack. So that's really the question I want from you. Tell me if you want me to do this from scratch, or would you rather me go on to do the EE3 blaster or the backpack? So you have sort of three choices there. So I look forward to seeing your comments, and we'll take it from there. So make your decision and let me know. Thanks.